Good afternoon, my dear students. In our previous class, we studied conversion of different units of length, weight and capacity. Today we are going to read how to add, subtract of these measures. Means if we have given two distances, how will we add and subtract? Two weights given, how will we add and subtract? And two capacity given, how will we add and subtract? We will also see how to solve some word problems given on the measures of length, weight and capacity. So I am taking an example to make you understand how will you add the two measures given to you, that is two distances given to you, that is length, two weights given to you and two capacity given to you. So let us take an example. The topic is adding and subtracting, adding and subtracting adding and subtracting measures. Adding and subtracting measures. Take an example. Add 2 kilometer 560 meter and 6 kilometer 230 meter. If this question is given, then we will write like this: solution. Here we write kilometer and meter. Then below kilometer we write kilometer and below meter we write meter. So below kilometer we write 2 and below meter we write 560. From here below kilometer we write 6 and here 230 kilometer. Then we will put here addition symbol and we will add. So 0 plus 0 0, 6 plus 3 9, 5 plus 2 7 and 2 plus 6 8. So our answer will be 8 kilometer 790 meter. So we will write here the sum of 2 kilometer 560 meter and 6 kilometer 230 meter is equal to 8 kilometer 790 meter. This is the required sum of the given two measures. Similarly, if your liter given, milliliter given, you can add in the same way. Here you will write liter, here milliliter, and below liter you will write the number which is given. Below kilometer you will write the kilometer which is given and you will add. As for example, I am taking liter and gram, kilogram, etc. So this example I have already clear to you. When two distances given to lengths given to you, you can easily add. In the same example, I am going to make change to make you understand how to add two weights. Suppose here we take 2 kilogram and here it is gram. Here kilogram and gram. Then how to add? We will write here kilogram. Here we will write gram and we will add. Then just we change here. Kilogram, gram, kilogram, gram. And the answer we will get in kilogram and gram. So this only we have to do. If two weights given to us, then we can easily add. In the same way we will add if two capacities given. If distance liter given, milliliter given, liter, milliliter. So here we write liter, here we write milliliter, and we will add. We will get the result, and we will write our result in liter and milliliter. Okay. See the example. If it is given, add 2 liters and 560 milliliter. Here also again 6 liters and 230 milliliter to add. Then at this place we write liter and here we write milliliter. Then we will add the same number will come and then we change here liter, milliliter. Here we write again liter and here we write milliliter. And then answer will come in liter and milliliter. 8 liters, 790 milliliters. Okay. Means you learn how to add two lengths, two weights and two capacities. Now we will see subtraction. So subtract here. Subtraction addition we understood. Now we are going to learn subtraction. So here example number 4. Example number 4. Subtract 2 liters 560 milliliters from 6 liters 230 milliliters. So look at here, we write liters and milliliters above. Then here, first it is given subtract this from this. It means we have to write first this one 6 230 and here we have to write 2 560 minus. Now we will subtract 0 minus 0 0, 3 minus 6. It will not be subtracted. So we will take one borrow from here. So 1 plus 10 plus 3 30 minus 6 7. We will lead that to here with 1. 1 is a smaller 5, so we take 1 liter borrow. So 1 minus 1 plus 1, 11 minus 5, 6. Okay. Then we will be left with 5 and 5 minus 2, 3. So we will get the difference of this one 3 liters 670 milliliter. So we write the difference is equal to difference required difference. We will write here required difference is equal to 3 liters 670 milliliters. Similarly, if it is given to length measurement and to weights measurement, you can subtract. So I hope you understood how to add and how to subtract. Now I am going to solve some questions from exercise 13.3. Look at the board. The first question is related to addition of the measures. So exercise here. Exercise 13.3. Question number 1 is given, find the sum of. We have given here some measures and we have to find the sum. So one number I am solving. Find the sum of 19 meter 17 centimeter. 19 meter 17 centimeter and 40 meter 28 centimeter. 40 meter 28 centimeter. We write solution. We write here meter, here write centimeter, then 19 meter, 17 centimeter, 40 meter, 28 centimeter. Then we will add. 7 plus 8, 15, 5, 2 plus 1, 3 and 1, 4, and here 9, 5. So we will get the sum. So required sum is equal to required sum is equal to 59 meter 45 centimeter. 59 meter and 45 centimeter. I hope you understood this addition. Now I am going to solve remaining question of this one. You will do. I am going to solve question number 2. Subtract. It is given subtraction. So here I am going to write question number 2, 1. Question number 2, 1 number. It is written here. Subtract. First number is 12 kilometer 250 meter from 24 kilometer 780 meter. So we write in the same way, but up we write kilometer and meter. We will write the bigger quantity up and the smaller quantity lower. So here your question is subtract. Already given instruction subtract, and we are given 12 kilometer. I am writing here subtract 12 kilometer 250 meter from 24 kilometer 780 meter. Okay, so we will write here kilometer and here meter. Here we will write 24 kilometer 780 meter, 12 kilometer 250 meter. Then we will subtract. 0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 5, 3, 7 minus 2, 5, 4 minus 2, 2, 1. So we will get the required difference. Here we write required difference is equal to 12 kilometer 530 meter. This is the answer. So I hope you understood how to subtract two measures given. Now two more questions I am going to solve from this exercise. Two word problems. One is question number 3 and another question number 6. First of all, I am going to solve question number 3. Solution of question number question number 3. Our question is, a bucket has 12 liters 50 milliliter of milk, out of which 8 liters 250 milliliter of milk is used for making sweets. How much milk is now left with the bucket? So 12 milliliter and 50 milliliter given, and from them 8 liter 250 milliliter used, and it is asked the milk left in the bucket. So we will write in words also that the amount of milk in the bucket is equal to, solution we will write the amount of milk in bucket is equal to 12 liters 50 milliliter, 12 liters 50 milliliters. The amount of milk used is equal to 8 liters 250 milliliters. It is given. Now it is asking that how much milk is left in the bucket. So the amount of milk left is equal to, therefore the amount of milk left is equal to 12 liters 50 milliliter minus 8 liters 250 milliliters. Then you will write the result. So as I have told you to write 12, here you write liters, here you write milliliters, so 12 liters 50 milliliters, and here you write 8 liters 250 milliliters, and then we subtract minus. So 0 minus 0, if nothing is here we will write 1 0, 5 is 5 0, it is 0, 0 minus 2, it is not subtracted, so we will take one borrow from here. So 1 borrow will come here, then 10 minus 2, 8, and it will be 1 minus 8, not possible, so 1 borrow. So 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. So we will write thus amount of milk left is equal to, thus amount of milk left is equal to 3 liters 800 milliliters. Answer. This is the required answer we have. Now one more question I am also going to solve. I hope you understood this one. Amount of milk in the bucket given, amount of used it is given. So how much liter left in the bucket we have calculated here. In the next question we have question number 6. I am going to solve for you question number 6. It is given that a basket contains 2 kg 500 gram sugar, 3 kg 250 gram rice and 5 kg 500 gram of pulses. What is the total weight of the basket? So first of all we write given weight of sugar, weight of rice and weight of pulses is equal to this, and total weight is equal to, we calculate by adding all the 3 weights. So here I am going to solve. Look at the board. We will write the weight of sugar is equal to the weight of sugar is equal to 2 kg 500 gram the weight of rice is equal to the weight of rice is equal to 3 kg 250 gram and the weight of pulses is equal to the weight of pulses is equal to 5 kg 500 gram. Therefore total weight is equal to, total weight is equal to addition of all these 3. So you will write 2 kg 500 gram plus 3 kg 250 gram plus, sorry, not equality here, plus 5 kg 500 gram. You will add, then you will get the result 11 kg 250 gram. 11 kg 250 gram. You will add all these 3 by writing here you see kilogram, gram, 2 kg 500 gram, 3 kg 250 gram, here 5 kg 500 gram. When we add, we will get 0, 5 to 7, 5 to 2, 1 carry, so 3 plus 3 6, 11. So here we will get 11 kg 250 gram. So this will be the required answer. Thus total weight is equal to total weight is equal to 11 kg 250 gram. This is the answer. So I hope how to solve, you understood how to solve word problems. Like this you will solve the question of exercise 13.3. Thank you.